cargo ship hit rocks, breached in Swedish waters. General cargo ship LISTERVIK hit the rocks or contacted rocky bottom west of Oxelosund, Sweden, Baltic Sea, at around 02:00 at February 8, while en route from Nakskov Denmark to Norrkoping Sweden, with cargo of wheat. Reportedly, hull was breached, with ensuing water ingress. The ship turned back and headed for Oxelosund, escorted by Swedish CG ship or ships. She reached Ozelosund and was moored at around 04:15 UTC. General cargo ship LISTERVIK, IMO 9,136,216, DWT 3904, built 1996, flag Faroe Islands, UMAN REDERI AB, Sweden.